Hi, I'm Pamela Salzman. Welcome to my kitchen. In today's cooking class episode, I want to talk about buttermilk and how you find substitutions for it. It comes up a lot in my classes and I thought it would be a great video to do. So the reason that we use buttermilk in recipes, especially for baking, or even sometimes people soak chicken in buttermilk to tenderize it, is that buttermilk lends acidity to a batter, and that acidity can help gluten from getting too tough. So buttermilk acts as a tenderizer. Just think about waffles or biscuits or pancakes. You know, you really want them to be tender and not tough. So buttermilk is great. So how do you substitute for that if you, number one, don't have it on hand, or number two, what if you can't do dairy? It's actually not that hard. Here's a couple of ways that you can go. My favorite way is to take any kind of milk that you want, whether it's cow milk, almond milk, hemp milk, doesn't matter, and then go half with that milk and then half with yogurt. So if a recipe calls for 1 cup of buttermilk, you would do half of a cup of milk and half of a cup of yogurt. Again, any kind that you want. So this is where you can actually make it vegan or dairy free. And you can mix, you can do half almond milk and half regular cow yogurt. Either way, but to me, that is going to give you the best results. The old-fashioned way to do it is you take milk, any kind that you want, and then you take a vinegar or a lemon juice, so something acidic. For 1 cup of buttermilk, what I would do is take 1 tablespoon of that acid, pour it into your measuring cup, and then fill it up to the 1 cup mark with your milk. You have to let this sit and almost curdle and sour for about 15 minutes at room temperature, and that will give you the same consistency as buttermilk. I hope you enjoyed this tip today. For more of those and some great healthy recipes, just go visit me on my website, pamelasalzman.com. And as always, just hit me below in the comments if you have any questions. I hope to see you back here next week for another cooking class.